Well, here we are with the Science Jokers in the Wizard Studio, looking at the famous puzzle, the towers, the 3 towers of Hanoi. You see the 3 towers? And of course, the challenge is you just want to move this stack. Right here's 4 washers, and there's 4 different sizes. We want to move them to one of the other stacks, but you can only move them one at a time. And you can never put a larger one on top of a smaller one. And people who have this kit have been trying it, and they need the solution. So who's going to volunteer and show the solution? You're going to volunteer. Okay, let's watch what you're going to do. He's picking a small, he's putting it over one of the towers. And you can't put that one on top, can you? So it has to go over there. So now you're stuck. Oh, no, I guess where can you? Oh, yeah, you can move it over there. And yeah, so because yeah, you're keeping it maintained. Where's that one going to go? Oh, it's going to go there. And that goes there. And the small one, oh, you're doing it. You're keeping all the small ones on top of larger ones. Now the bigger one goes back. Let's see what he does. Oh my gosh. You're moving them one at a time, aren't you? Oh, it is screwed up. Okay, so we'll start over, or we'll keep on going.
Keep on going.
Keep on going. There you go. Oh, now you did it right. Here we go. We got the small one on top, and there it is. Put the small one over there. Move that one. There it is. We went from this stack to that one, and we obeyed all the rules. We have a solution. You just have to think that through, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes.